Hey guys, this is Averroes here and welcome back to my channel. In this video, as I am recording right now, I'm currently in my mid-sem break from semester 5 and next week will be the 7th week of me studying law. And in this video, we are going to be talking about a very special topic, which is when a person says that it is too early, it is late, and that they don't have time to do things. Well, guess what? It's never too early, it's never too late, and we always have the time to do things. When people say these kind of words, it's a sort of an excuse for them to not do it. We should stop and abstain ourselves from these kind of negative words instead of focusing on the positive words such as it's never too early, it's never too late, and I always have time to do things. Start affirming yourself with these positive words in order for you to improve yourself, in order for you to excel further in life, whether it's in competitions or your hobbies or your interests, in order for you to become better as a person. Whether it's through painting or writing or in mooting or in debating or in anything that you believe that you really like in life. And it's never too late, never too early, and you always have the time, especially when you are young. Probably you guys are watching this are in your 20s. And we should make the time when we are young the most as possible. Because if not, if we keep on making excuses and keep telling ourselves negative, sayings and words, we are postponing the time that we have on this planet until we get older. So guys, again, it's never too late, it's never too early, and you always have the time to do things. Sometimes, personally, we have our own insecurities, problems, and issues, including myself, but we should not make that as an excuse, as an obstacle to further obstruct us from reaching success or anything that we generally want in life. Live the moment, because this is the moment where we want to make the most of our lives. Find true meaning and passion in life. Sometimes in life, we don't really know our passions or where we are going, but as long as we know what it is in a very vague way, as long as we know what is the kind of destination we want to go, that's all that matters. Because in life, there's no general ending for everyone. Everyone could think of their own ending and their own destination. Whether you believe in religion or not, that's a different story. If you believe in the hereafter, but again, it all depends on a person and everyone. And you should at least have something that you want to achieve and go to in life before the day that you eventually, depart from the world. That is all I want to say in this video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching. Remember that you have your own value. You are capable of so many amazing and wonderful and fantastic things in life. Keep affirming yourself and keep telling yourself these positive words and sayings in life in order for you to ensure and validate yourself so that you can achieve greater heights in life and become generally better. Thank you guys so much, and until then, see you guys next time.